Alright, welcome to Ballroom Feed. My name is Lindsay.
I'm Chris.
And today we're going to be chatting about what is rumba and why you should totally use it for one of your wedding dances. So, it's another romantic slow dance, surprise, surprise, and it's great for first dance songs, mother-son songs, father-daughter songs, and while we're talking about songs, Chris, over to you.
Popular Rumba songs are Everything by Michael Bublé, All of Me and John Legend, which is also for Foxy too, by the way, so that's for you as well. The Way You Look Tonight by Tony Bennett, and Let's Stay Together.
So a little bit different, this dance is a stationary dance, so it is well suited to stay in one area. It could still be great on a larger floor. There's a few that do travel. Anyways, so that's basically just a quick on what rumba is, and that's about it. So go check out our rumba videos and see what you like. And we'll see ya very soon. See ya!